Welcome to GCRD Technologies. Types of software, types of computer software. Say, in two viewpoints, I will explain this concept. First, functionality point of view. Next, environment point of view. See, in functionality point of view, we have three types of computer software. One is system software. System software for operating the system and handling application software as well as hardware devices. Operating the system. Here system means computer hardware and software. Okay, computer system, hardware plus software. See, system software for operating the computer software as well as hardware. Yes. Example, operating systems. Operating systems. Next, device drivers. Just a minute. Device drivers, etc. Example, I think all of you are familiar with this one. MS Windows, Microsoft Windows operating system. Windows. In Microsoft Windows, you can find a server-side operating system. For example, Windows 2000 server, 2003 server, 2008 server. Example, server-side operating system for handling the resources, user management, software management, tasks management, etc. Next, client-side operating systems. For example, Windows XP now outdated. Next, Windows 10, etc. Windows 7, 8, 10, etc. Client-side operating systems. Next, UNIX and Unix flavors. Linux. Unix is command-based operating system. Linux is GUI, graphical user interface. Next, Solaris also Unix flavor. Next, Macintosh, Mac, etc. Next, printer drivers, scanner drivers, etc. System software. Next, programming software. See, programming software for developing application software. For programming software, we have several examples. Suppose C is programming software, C++ is programming software, Java is programming software, Oracle also programming software. Okay, Oracle for backend development, Java for front-end development, etc. Programming software. Suppose SAP also programming software, not programming, it is for creating software applications. By customizing SAP packages, you can create application software. Next, third one, important one, application software. This application software for conducting specified business operations. For example, banking software, core banking system, ATM banking system, online banking system, credit card management system, etc. Banking software, insurance software. Next, ERP, enterprise resource planning, ERP software. Next, e-commerce software, suppose Amazon website, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. eBay are e-commerce websites. So many telecom applications, next game software, etc. Okay, system software, programming software, application software. Functionality point of view, these three are the important types of computer software. Okay, system software for operating the computer system, computer hardware and software. Next, programming software for developing, software for developing both system software as well as application software. Okay, next, uh, application software. Application software for conducting specified business operations. Suppose banking software, insurance software, health, hospital management software, healthcare software, telecom software, ERP software, e-commerce software, etc. Say system software limited. Programming software for developing, application software as well as system software. Okay, system software is limited. We have we don't have thousands of operating systems, thousands of device drivers, etc. We have a limited number of operating systems. Next, programming software also limited. We don't have thousands of programming languages, thousands of backend that database management systems, etc. Limited. But application software is unlimited. Suppose we have thousands of application software, lakhs of application software. See, banks may have different softwares. Suppose ICICI Bank uses one type of software, Axis Bank uses another type of software, SBI uses different software. Like, see, we have thousands of software, lakhs of software in this area, application software. See, as a software tester, software developer or tester, most of the time, 95%, I think more than 95%, we may work on application software. As a test engineer, you usually test application software. Okay, MS Windows, for new versions of MS Windows, Microsoft is having development team as well as testing team, but that opportunity is limited. But in case of application software, we have a lot of opportunities. Next, when it comes to environment point of view, we have three types of software. One is CUI based software. CUI based software nowadays slowly getting outdated. Below 5% only this type of applications. CUI stands for command user interface. For example, DOS, operating system, disk operating system. DOS is command line operating system. UNIX is command line operating system. See, earlier we had so many command line operating systems. Nowadays also some applications are available. For example, command line calculator, etc. CUI based, command user interface based applications, limited. Next, GUI based applications. See, in this GUI, we have two types of applications. One is desktop applications, desktop applications. Next, browser based applications, web applications, desktop applications, or you can say Windows based applications. For example, MS Word is desktop application, Acrobat Reader is desktop application, Notepad is desktop application. Next, web applications, browser based applications. Suppose ICICI Bank.com is web application. Facebook is web application. Twitter is web application. SBI application, SBI bank, online banking application, online banking only. SBI online banking application is web application. Suppose google.com is web application, that is search engine. Gmail is web application, email service provider. Nowadays, nearly 90% of the applications are web applications. Desktop applications also slowly getting outdated, but still there. Acrobat Reader is desktop application. MS Office is a desktop applications. See, desktop applications will be there forever, no problem. But web application market share is slowly increasing. Now, nearly 90% of market share is web applications. Thank you.